Stephanie decided to move out. Oh my goodness, I'm thinking. Talking to Stephanie like don't pack, don't leave is like trying to take somebody off the ledge. She just wants attention. Well, yeah, let's just let the girls humiliate themselves. Because that's why they can't find a boyfriend. Stephanie gets worked up and shuts down. There's no changing her mind. So, I don't know.
So let me get this straight. Stephanie's actually threatening to leave boot camp because she doesn't have a sense of humor? Are you kidding me? She's undoing
Ricky
done here, and
is tired.
over this?
He's sleeping and he's snoring.